इट केप्ट रिसाउंडिंग. मैंने बोला नियत होती है तो बनता है. अब नियत कहाँ से लाऊं ये मुझे देखना है. अब मैं बैठ के नियत कलेक्ट कर रही हूँ कि यार इंटेंशन जो भी अच्छे हैं आज आ जाओ. सो दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक पुट एवरीथिंग टुगेदर.
Thank you, Mansa, for being part of Soundcheck Season 2. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
वेरी एक्साइटेड, वेरी नर्वस.
क्यों नर्वस? आपने कितना अच्छा कमाल का गाना बनाया है, यार मेरा
Because
पुराना.
I am playing alongside all of my favorite bands.
Oh, really?
There's Agni, there's Masala Coffee that I love. So being on the same stage as them, it's obviously nerve-wracking.
You're very kind and very, very humble, yeah, Mansa. I really, first of all, I'm very happy that you are a part of this season of Soundcheck. The first time I had heard you is when you did that beautiful cover of Ghar Aana, and which we have to release very soon.
Yeah.
And your voice has something really special and something really divine. I'm sure people have told you this. And I know that you can't take compliments because each time I talk to you, you look down.
No.
But tell me, how did you come up with Yaar Mera Purana? And why the word Purana?
Purana. There's a line that I heard somewhere, I think it was Farid Ayaz who said कि इश्क का पैगाम इश्क ही होता है. इश्क खुद का पैगाम है. So I took that and I wrote if इश्क ही पैगाम अगर तो हिजर से क्या सबक दिए. इतना कोरा छोड़ा मुझे ना अपने रहे ना आप मिले. Which was again like so it kept building and then once you are in love हमें समझ में नहीं आता है. हमारे लिए हमारा रब जो इतने सदियों से हमारे साथ एक्चुअल में होता है वो 2 दिन का हो जाता है बट हमारा यार पुराना हो जाता है. So I think I wrote it the first line way back but it kept building over time.
Wow. Well, ये इश्क की बात है तो ये मुर्शीद, हमारे मुर्शीद which is, रब की बात होती है और माशूक. ये दोनों के बीच का फासला वैसे बहुत कम होता है because ultimately इश्क is इश्क, प्यार, love is the universal language and it is a lot of times a lot of poets have written about the same thing and and you've written it in your own way, which is what I want to talk to you about. That how interested are you in poetry? I mean, you are obviously you're a singer songwriter, आप अपने गाने खुद गाती हो, but this thing about writing your own songs, ये पहले से आपको शौक था या करते 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 ये बढ़ते गया?
मुझे लाइक आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू टेल स्टोरीज. वो किसी भी फॉर्म में हो मुझे बातें कम्युनिकेट करनी थी, एक फीलिंग कम्युनिकेट करनी थी. सो आई थिंक इवन व्हेन आई वाज राइटिंग दिस सबने लव के बारे में लिखा है हाउ डिवाइन इट इज, कैसे सुप्रीम है. बट मैंने लिखा है कि वो इतना डिवाइन है बट एट द सेम टाइम हम लोग इतने फिकल हो जाते हैं प्यार में कि फेरे नजरें पीर सभी घर जिसके इश्क है आवे. ये आफत जब घर में आती है इवन योर पीर, दोज हु लुक अपॉन यू, इवन दे टर्न देयर बैक कि अब हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते इस सिचुएशन में. सो मेरे को था कि सूफी चल रहा है बहुत टाइम से, हाउ डज अ पर्सन ऑफ माई एज इंटरप्रेट इट. तो हमने साउंड भी सिंथ वेव यूज किया. हमने बोला कि लाइक
I was going to ask you about that.
Yeah. So मैंने जितना देखा है कि कव्वाली रिक्रिएट हो रही है, बहुत चीजें हो रही हैं, बट आई वांटेड टू सी कि और क्या क्या हो सकता है. कभी कभी कहते हैं ना कि जमाना उम्र की मोहर मांगता है कुछ चीजों में. तो इवन इफ आई से कोई बड़ी चीज छोटी चीज दे आस्क मी फॉर माई एक्सपीरियंस, बट मुझे था कि ये छोटी छोटी जो फीलिंग्स है कि हम लोग प्यार में बहुत फिकल हो जाते हैं. वी डू नॉट रियलाइज दैट कि यार हम लोग अपने भगवान को भी यहाँ पे मान रहे हैं, हमारे पेरेंट्स भी यहीं पे और हमारा यार उन सबसे 2 स्टेप आ गया अभी. तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू कम्युनिकेट दैट पर्टिकुलर फीलिंग.
Wow, your thoughts are so deep and so profound. I'm really, really impressed that you have such amazing, philosophy about love, and it's really like, for your age, I don't know, I shouldn't guess what your age is, but you sound like, your thought process is of a 60 plus person, who's seen life.
Even my back is of a 60 plus person.
Say it again. You're keeping a lot of things behind you. That's why maybe you have, maybe it's time to bring all those things at the back in front, and maybe this through Yaar Mera Purana. I think it's a great relationship that we've come together and done something together. And I hope, inshallah, that we'll do many more things in
Yes,
future.
sir. I have to thank you for it because
No,
I know all these bands are so experienced and like they are my idols. Most of them are, I idolize them. And आपने जिस तरीके से like I came to you and you said like I would want you to be a part of this, and things started unfolding. वो खुद से हुआ, and I was just you said one thing.
I
मैंने
was
बोला
very greedy. Okay, I wanted to work with you. That's it.
no, that is there. It's working in my favor. But you said one thing. मैंने बोला सर इतनी जल्दी गाना नहीं बन पाएगा मुझसे because uh, I have to compose, I have to write, I have to see how the sound will be designed. And you said कि अगर नियत होती है तो like गाने बनते हैं. And how I notice your work ethic, you are here one day there, and then you are making something. So it kept resounding. मैंने बोला नियत होती है तो बनता है. अब नियत कहाँ से लाऊं ये मुझे देखना है. अब मैं बैठ के नियत कलेक्ट कर रही हूँ कि यार इंटेंशन जो भी अच्छे हैं आज आ जाओ. So that sort of like put everything together in no time.
Your soul is so pure. It's very, audible in your voice and in your music. And speaking of your music, I noticed that गाना शुरुआत होता है एक विस्पर से. और क्या सोच के आपने ये सॉफ्टली इसको रिसाइट करके आपने सोचा कि मैं इस तरह से शेर पढूं इन ताल, इन रिदम.
मुझे like now that I start speaking of it, मुझे लगता है कि कहीं गाना ऐसा ना हो जाए कि बातें उसके बारे में ज्यादा हो रही हैं and then people are like oh they'll be disappointed, but I want to tell कि मैंने क्या सोचा.
जी.
जब कोई चीज foreshadow होती है, कोई तूफान आता है,
हाँ.
तो वो कोई हल्के से बता रहा है जिसे लागी मन खेला कि something is about to happen. Somebody is going to fall in love somewhere and then things are going to go downhill.
वाकई में आपने जिस तरह से आप गाना शुरू करते हैं ना, तो all focuses on your voice and your words. एंड कई कबार ऐसा होता है कि जब हम सेम चीज को जब गाते हैं तो असर इतना नहीं पड़ता. बट व्हेन यू रिसाइटेड, एंड इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल थिंग दैट यू डिड, द वे यू रिसाइटेड एंड द वे you said something very softly, and that really hits you. The words hit you. Uski words ki asar, very smartly done. And then you get into a song, and then you throw a surprise at 3 minutes with this whole pop synthwave vibe. What made you think like that?
I think I have to credit the producer, Vaibhav Pani. He came up with the idea. We were playing around with sounds, and he said, I would want to do something like that. So it's his mind that.
First time you're collaborating with Vaibhav?
Yes, and
How do you think of working with him?
we were like Sherish made me meet him, and we were
Good.
jamming. We jammed a couple of times, 1-2 times only, and then we collaborated for this, and he also had the greatest time. As soon as like the synthwave thing came in, and he said, "I want to like now the vibe will change and everything," and I was 100% on board. So
It's the first time you've gone into something like that, or you've done stuff?
no, I've done everything from rock and roll, punk rock to everything, but combining Sufi, I would sing folk, Sufi
Yeah.
in a very clean way,
Sure.
very percussion based and things like that, but synthwave with this, so
It
it's a
was very
first.
cool. Well, I really, really loved this surprise, and thank you, Vaibhav, for doing this incredible shift of emotion. And it's very beautiful, and it's very floating. It just suddenly brings in a great breath of fresh air and some energy in the song. And it's truly amazing. You have a very unique voice, and I really want people to give you a lot of love, and to be able to listen to you. And I feel like your voice has something really magical, and I'm so impressed with the way you think. You put your thoughts in the song. बहुत गहरे thoughts है. And I really hope that your back gets better, and you bring all your load in front and let people experience all your incredible music with your voice.
For sure, sir.
Thank you so much once again for Soundcheck.
Thank you.
Season 2, we always collaborate with this brand called Moha.
Okay.
They make some great products. out of organic elements, like organic, just ingredients
Hmm.
that are made out of Ayurvedic products. And they make some cool stuff, some nice creams and sprays. And I especially like this
Sunscreen.
sunscreen. This, when you're doing sound check, sometimes in the middle of the day,
Hmm.
and it's a hot day and you need some sun protection. These guys take care of us. There's some cool stuff in here as well. Hope you like them.
For sure.
These guys are always our partners, and I'm glad that they always keep supporting.
Thank you.
Something I'm sure you like it. I use
I-
most of their products. Yeah, so thank you so much.